Hey everyone, do you know that you can actually invest into various businesses that you see around Singapore and actually receive dividend income? For the first part of this series, we're going to look at purely food-related businesses, and the first one we're going to talk about today is Kimley Limited. Kimley actually operates 84 coffee shops and also food courts in Singapore. They also operate the drink store, they operate the dim sum stores for some coffee shops, zi cha store, and do you know even Tender Fresh brand is under Kimley. They also venture into Muslim-friendly coffee shops and also Japanese cuisines. Did you know the cleaning business called Clearvex is also under Kimley? In 2025 alone, they actually gave out 2 times of dividends. They gave out the 1 cent per share dividends in February and also the 1 cent per share dividends in June. Look at the current share price of about 39 cents. The dividend yield is about 5%. Looking at Kimley's revenues, right, they have actually increased from 210 million in 2020 to about 320 million in 2024. This shows that the business is actually expanding. Well, the profit margin hovers around 10 to 11%, but we can see that it's a declining trend because back in 2021, it's actually around 11+%, but it since dropped to 10 point something percent. Return on equity has stayed largely positive, around 20 to 30%, but you can see that there's actually a small declining trend where it used to be 20+%, but it's now only 19%. The quick and current ratio stays around 1+, so which seems quite healthy. Looking at the free cash flow, Kimley actually generates about $80+ million of free cash flow every year. Free cash flow is actually something that we look at to see whether the business is able to pay out dividends. So will you invest in Kimley Limited? Let me know down in the comments.